What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. We will show you the method and the step you have to take to fix this no sound problem on your Windows 11, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Before we start talking about the method, first you have to check all the hardware input and output on Windows 11. Your speaker, your headphone, your microphone, you have to check everything. Are they connected properly or not to your 0.5mm jack, or if it's USB connection. So you have to check all of those connections so that you can address the problem properly. Now let's talk about the method you have to use to fix this problem. Method 1. Check volume. Make sure you check the volume as it's a basic step. Sometimes we leave the volume to mute and that time we try to play a music and we forget about the volume is in mute. So check the volume first to make sure it's unmute. Method 2. PlayBack Device. Do a right click on volume icon. Click on Open Volume Mix. Here you have to set up input and output preference of your device. If you're using a speaker for your output, then you have to select a speaker in here as you can see. If your input is your microphone, then you have to select your microphone or your headphone. Method 3. Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down. You'll see Troubleshoot in here. Click on it. Click on Other Troubleshooters. You can see the playing audio. Click on Run. It's gonna take some time to detect the problem and to fix the services running to play the audio on your Windows 11. As you can see, you'll get these options when you troubleshoot the problem. Which of these devices do you want to troubleshoot? Headphone or speaker? You can select the preference as per your requirement. I'm selecting cancel as speaker working perfectly fine on my PC. Method 4. Uncheck Sound Enhancement. Click on Windows icon. Click on Settings. Click on Sound. Scroll it down. You can see all sound devices. Click on it. Click on a speaker. Here you can turn off this enhancement audio option. You can turn it on as well, but if it's on, you have to turn it off. Method 5. Device Manager. To open a device manager, do a right click on Windows icon, or we can say a start icon. You'll see Device Manager in here. Click on it. You can see a sound, video and game controller. Double click on this option. Here you can see high definition audio device. Do a right click and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver and it's gonna install the driver from manufacturer website. After this, simply close it, or you can go with the other options as well. If this option works for you, then you do not have to opt for the other options. If it's not working, then click on Search for Updated Driver on Windows 11. It's gonna show you a page of Windows 11 updates, and from there you can install the updated driver. Or you can go with Browse My Computer for driver as well. Simply click on it. Click on this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and from here select the audio device. If this step works for you, then you do not have to follow the other step. If not, you can do other things as well. Do a right click, click on Properties, click on Driver. Here you can roll back the driver as well. By doing a rollback driver, you can roll back all of the settings which were working perfectly fine on your PC, and if you're happy with that, you do not have to update your driver. Step 3. If rollback does not work for you, then you can simply uninstall the device as well. Simply click on it and uninstall it, and afterward click on Scan for hardware changes and restart your Windows 11 PC. Method 6. Audio services. Click on Start icon. Type in here Services. You'll see Services app in here. Click on Open. In here you have to find Windows Audio. Click on any of the services in here and type W on your keyboard and you'll see Windows Audio in here. Click on Restart and restart your PC as well after doing this. Method 7. Check updates. Click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Windows Update. Here you can check for updates. Simply click on Check for updates and install all the updates. Method 8. Reset PC. If none of the method we have explained in this video working for you, then you can simply reset your PC to fix the problem, or you can restore your PC to the back date. To restore your PC to the back date, click on Start icon, type in here rstrui. You'll see Run command of restore point. Click on Open. Here you have to click on Next and you have to select the restore point when your Windows 11 PC was working fine. Once you select the restore point, make sure you click on Scan for affected changes so that you can see what are the changes it's gonna do after restoring your Windows 11 PC to the back date. If restoring works for you, then you do not have to reset your PC. If restoring is not working and other methods are not working, then you can simply reset your PC. Click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on Windows Update, scroll it down, click on Advanced Options, scroll it down, you'll see Recovery in here, click on it, select Reset this PC. As you can see, choose to keep or remove your personal file. You can keep your file as well. If you would like to go with the other option to remove your all personal file, you can select that one as well. So that's all for today. I'm pretty sure after following all the method you can fix sound not working problem on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.